How to buy Big Bear Bald Eagle token. So this token came under the symbol of eagle. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply it goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and make sure to check the Telegram channel too. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's created 20 hours ago and increased by 800% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning your investment in a safe place. This token trending number 19 in this transaction. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your fund to mine for that. As you can see, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on stop, and you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because most features came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Eagle token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.